welcome back again to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher again. Alright, great job everyone. How are you this morning? Okay, I hope all you guys are fine. Did you have breakfast already? Already, right? Wow, great job. So right now, please sit properly and study with teacher together. But everyone, before teacher start the class, do you have enough material for studying right now? Okay, great. So put all the material on your tablet and study well. Alright, great job. Your material need to have, yes, like pencil, eraser, notebook, and also textbook. Alright. So now we will continue our lesson with the new page together. But before teacher start our new lesson, please everyone review all the words that we have learned yesterday with teacher together. Alright. Do you remember all those words, everyone? Okay, great job. Alright, so now look at our whiteboard and review with teacher together. Review. 1. Candy, candy, candy. 2. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. 3. Factory, factory, factory. 4. Machine, machine, machine. 5. Scarf, scarf, scarf. 6. Coat, coat, coat. 7. Watch, watch, watch. 8. Boots, boots, boots. 9. Glasses, glasses, glasses. 10. Jeans, jeans, jeans. One more time. Candy, kangaroo, factory, machine, scarf, coat, watch, boots, glasses, jeans. Alright, great job everyone. So now your turn. Please read by yourself. 1. Good. 2. Alright. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Wow, excellent everyone. So I hope all you guys can remember all the spelling as well. Alright, great job everyone. So today we will move to the next page, right? So alright everyone, so before teacher start with the textbook, please read all the words on the whiteboard first. Alright, make sure that everyone know the vocabulary in the, yes, in that point. Alright, great job everyone. So now look at our whiteboard together. Tuesday, September 15, 2020, TreeHouse 3, Unit 9, the candy factory, the candy factory, the candy factory. New words, new words. 1. Turn on, turn on, turn on. 2. Push, push, push. 3. Pull, pull, pull. 4. Turn, turn, turn. 5. Turn off, turn off, turn off. One more time. 1. Turn on, turn on, turn on. 2. Push, push, push. 3. Pull, pull, pull. 4. Turn, turn, turn. 5. Turn off, turn off, turn off. Great job everyone. So now we look at number 1. Turn on. Yes, did you know turn on? The word turn on means, yes, turn on. It means like when you enter the room and then you turn on the light in order to the, yes, in order to bright your room. So we call turn on, like turn on the light, turn on the fan, right? Good. And number 2, push. Push means like this, like you, yes, push the bottom like this, or you can push the door like this. We call push. Alright, good. And number 3, pull. Okay, pull like you pull something like this, like you pull the rope, something like that. We call pull. Okay, great job. And number 4, turn. Turn like you turn the, yes, it's called the cartwheel, something like that. We call turn. Alright. And number 5, turn off. Yes, turn off like when you are outside the room, you need to turn out, you need to turn off the what? Yes, the light, or turn off the fan when you stop using it, right? Okay, good. It's called turn off. Okay, good. So read one more time with teacher. 1, turn on. Turn on. 2, push. Push. 3, pull. Pull. 4, turn. Turn. 5, turn off. Turn off. Okay, great job. So now read by yourself. 1. Good. 2. Correct. 3. Great job. 4. Well done. 5. Excellent. Alright, great job everyone. So you can read all these words, right? Okay, good. So now please open your, yes, good, your book on page what everyone? Yes, great job. On page 110 together, you can see, use the machine. Use the machine. So now we will know how to use the machine. We turn it on, we turn it off, we pull, we push, or we turn off the machine. Alright, great job everyone. So if you want to know the way to use the machine, you need to listen to the track together, but don't forget to repeat after them, alright? So now everyone, enjoy listening to the track together.
Let's chant! Use the machine! We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Push the button. Push the button. Push the button.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Pull the lever. Pull the lever. Pull the lever.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn the handle. Turn the handle. Turn the handle.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine.
Alright, great job everyone. Now you finished listening to the track, right? Can you use the machine? Okay, great job. So now you can look at here. This is called turn on. So turn on, you need to turn on with the green. Yes, the green here, and off for the red one, right? And then you push, and this is pull, and this is called turn. And the last one is turn off. Okay, great job everyone. So now our lesson is finished. Alright, great job everyone. So our first session on Tuesday is finished. But before teacher end the class, how many words that we have learned at the moment? Can you tell me? Wow, great job. They are, yes, 5 words. What are they everyone? Okay, the first one is turn on. Correct, turn on. The second one is push, correct. And number 3 is pull, okay. And number 4 is, yes, turn. And number 5 is turn off. Wow, great job everyone. So, yes, now time to break, but don't forget to copy the lesson on the whiteboard into your notebook as well. Alright everyone, enjoy your break time. Bye bye. See you in the second session.